All right, this is going to be training number 2 in getting your business started. The next and most important thing is understanding when to do your ads. If you see here, we got start surfing. There's a clock under the surfing ad. It says the day is the 9th, because the day will always be first, 2:23. Now this clock changes on Eastern Standard Time, not any other world clock anywhere else. It's on Eastern Standard Time. And our Eastern Standard Time, when this clock changed, will be 7 p.m. Eastern Time, because our service in another place. So make sure that you look at this clock. If it say 2/9/23, then you're surfing for 2/9/23. If it changes to 2/10/23, then you're searching for the next day. It don't matter when you surf. You got to make sure you're surfing on the day that the clock says, not because when you want to. Make sure you always keeping up with the clock.